Good everyone, you're watching Way to Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix task host is stopping background task in Windows 11 or Windows 10 machine. Now, you might come across this error message whenever you're restarting the computer, and the error message would have a file path associated to it. So if you're getting this error message, and there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, when you have a file path, all you have to do is you will have to make a note of the path of the error message. So in this case, if you're getting this error message saying that task host window stopping background task, the path is Microsoft Windows device directory client or registered user device. This is the path. Now, once you have this path, you will have to open the task scheduler on your computer. To do this, you will have to go to the search and type task scheduler. You will see the best match for task scheduler. Double click on task scheduler. Once you open the task scheduler, you will have to go and expand task scheduler library. Under this, you will have to expand Microsoft and then Windows. It's the same path as what you're seeing in the error message. And then locate for device directory client. So it would be in the alphabetical order. Device directory client. Under this, you will have to locate register user device. So on the right hand side, you will see a path for register user device. Once you have this selected, all you have to do is you will have to go ahead and click on disable to disable this service. Now, do not delete this service, but disable this service. Same thing applies if you get an error message. For example, if you look at this error message, you will have to go ahead and look for Microsoft Windows consent UX. So you will have to Windows and then locate for consent UX. And it could be a different error message. For the demonstration, I'm going to walk you through this. Under consent UX, you will find unified consent. And here you would see a task name which says unified consent sync task. All you have to do is you will have to select this and then click on disable, and that will disable that service. Once this is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. This should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, there are some other steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. To resolve the problem by disabling the fast startup. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to type the command power cfg.cpl. Basically, this is the shortcut command to open the power configuration. Click on OK. Once you're on the power options, you will have to go ahead and choose the option which says choose what the power buttons do. Click on it. And then on the right hand side, you would see an option for turn on fast startup. In case if your fast startup is being turned on, you will have to go ahead and uncheck that. Now, if these options are grayed out, you will have to go ahead and click on change settings and then uncheck the box. Click on save changes. Close this window, restart your computer and check if you are seeing this error message. Now, in case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. The next step, what you could do is try a registry fix to resolve this issue. To do this, you will have to open registry. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type regedit. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, when you're modifying the registry, please make sure you follow the steps accurately. In case if you delete or modify incorrect registry entries, there are chances that your computer may not perform correctly or properly. So once you have the registry editor open, you will have to go ahead and navigate HK local machine. So you can go ahead and expand HK local machine. Under HK local machine, you can go ahead and expand system. Under system, you will have to look for current control set. So it would be in alphabetical order. Once you expand current control set, go ahead and look for services. Expand services. Under services, you will have to locate for WPN user services. It would be in alphabetical order. You will have to scroll down a bit. So you will find the service or folder called WPN user service. I will also mention this registry key in the video description. Once you have selected WPN user services, on the right hand side, click on start, do a right click and then click on modify and change existing value from any value to 4. Click on OK. Close registry editor, restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. So in case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step is to go ahead and reduce the shutdown time on the computer. To do this, you will have to open the registry editor. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type regedit. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the registry editor open, you will have to go ahead and locate for HKey local machine and expand HKey local machine, and then locate for system. Under system, you will have to locate for current control set and then look for control. Now, once you have selected control, you would see an option which says wait to kill service timeout. In case if you see any other value, make sure the value data has been set to 5000. Click on OK. Now, once you have modified this registry, you will have to go ahead and collapse all the registry keys and then go to another registry key which says HKey current user and expand or locate for control panel. Expand control panel and then locate for desktop. Once you're on the desktop, check if there is wait to kill service timeout is been listed here. In case if you don't see a wait to kill service timeout, you will have to go ahead and create this dword value. So you can do a right click and then click on new and then choose the option which says dword 32-bit value. Enter this text which is clearly mentioned as wait to kill service timeout. Make sure it is in uppercase, all the first letters are in uppercase, and hit enter. Do a right click, then click on modify and make sure the value has been set to 5000 and then click on OK. Close the registry editor, restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.